What's the key to success? The key is there is no key. Be humble, hungry, and the hardest worker in any room. With drive and a bit of talent, you can move mountains. Don't be afraid to be ambitious about your goals. Hard work never stops. Neither should your dreams. If something stands between you and your success, move it. Never be denied. The wall. Your success is on the other side. Can't jump over it or go around it. You know what to do. Not only do I think being nice and kind is easy, but being kind, in my opinion, is important. Failure's not an option, it's just a step. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say why me, just say try me. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before. It all adds up. There is no substitute for hard work. Always be humble and hungry. Blood, sweat, and respect. First two you give, last one you earn. When you walk up to opportunity's door, don't knock it. Kick that bitch in, smile, and introduce yourself. In 1995, I had $7 in my pocket and I knew two things. I'm broke as hell and one day I won't be. The men I idolized built their bodies and became somebody, like Sylvester Stallone and Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I thought, that can be me, so I started working out. The funny thing is I didn't realize back then that I was having a defining moment. I like to use the hard times in the past to motivate me today. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent, hard work gains success. The first step to achieving your goal is to take a moment to respect your goal. Know what it means to you to achieve it. All success begins with self-discipline. It starts with you. Success at anything will always come down to this: focus and effort. And we control both. I'll never ever be full. I'll always be hungry. Obviously, I'm not talking about food. Growing up, I had nothing for such a long time. Someone told me a long time ago, and I've never forgotten it. Once you've ever been hungry, really, really hungry, then you'll never ever be full. Think back 5 years ago. Think of where you're at today. Think ahead 5 years and what you want to accomplish. Be unstoppable. There's no substitute for hard work and getting out there and busting your butt at whatever it is. Nothing comes easy. You can overcome so much just through hard, focused work. The single most powerful thing I can be is to be myself. I grew up where, when a door closed, a window didn't open. The only thing I had was cracks. I do everything to get through those cracks: scratch, claw, bite, push, bleed. Now the opportunity is here. The door is wide open, and it's as big as a garage. Wake up determined. Go to bed satisfied. We do today what they can't, so tomorrow we achieve what they won't. Be the person that when your feet touch the floor in the morning, the devil says, "Oh shit, they're up." I grew up in a musical family. The majority of my growing up was done in Hawaii. It's what we do. You sing, you dance, you play ukulele, and you drink. Football changed my life, and it gave me a platform to get out my aggression, and it gave me a sense of value. I like the idea of working in different genres and transcending genres and hopefully finding success, and ultimately make movies people like. I want someone who can trust that my big hands are going to take care of them. I'm very low-key. I don't really blend in, so it's difficult to go out in public. I like to do things that are kind of quiet, whether it's a dinner at my house or a restaurant, or a movie night at home. My philosophy is, it's always very rewarding when you can make an audience laugh. I don't mind making fun of myself. I like self-deprecating comedy, but I'd like you to laugh with me occasionally too. When I was a kid at 4 years old, that's when I started amateur wrestling with my dad and family. And when that's instilled in you, it never goes away. You don't sign up for a divorce when you get married. It's very painful, but it's taught me a great deal about myself. WWE is a space where I thrived, and I loved, and I still do. I love connecting with an audience. That is the greatest thing about going back to WWE. I've always loved the showmanship of professional wrestling. While I love making movies, I love that platform too. My goal was never to be the loudest or the craziest. It was to be the most entertaining. The road to success and greatness is always paved with consistent hard work. Outwork your competitors, be authentic, and above all else, chase your greatness. Let your actions do your talking for you. Just bring it. Two things happen when an athlete gets injured. Some guys say, "Fuck it, I'm going to wait it out 3 to 4 months." But with me and lots of other athletes, you find your 8th or 9th gear, a gear you've never gone to before, and say, "I'm going to come back." Training for me is a metaphor for life, period. The dedication, the determination, the desire, the work ethic, the great successes and the great failures, I take that into life. My work, my goal, my life, it's like a treadmill, and there's no stop button on my treadmill. Once I get on, I just keep going. It's you versus you. It's not about the car you drive, it's about the size of your arm hanging out of the window. Keep calm and shut your mouth. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. It's simple, do it. You either play the game or let the game play you. Unapologetically push for greater and always disrupt expectations. It ain't the 99% who's not putting in the relentless hard work that I care about. It's the 1% who is. I never want to just play in the game, I want to change the way the game is played. Always be you, play chess, not checkers, and always play the long game. By 23 years old, I failed at achieving the biggest dream of my life. My ass was kicked and I was down, but not out. I refused to give up, got back up and pushed on. Do not go gentle, cause that rent is always due. Outwork all competition, be grateful for the grind. Don't run from your demons, and if it ever becomes personal, then payback's a bitch. Vision, guts, and enthusiasm. 3 qualities I feel you always gotta have to have a shot at success. I have a little belief that success is never unrelenting, and if success is what we chase, then neither are we. 2-hand philosophy. If I can't earn it, then I don't want it. My hands might be calloused up and scarred up with a knuckle or 2 missing, but they're mine and serve as my daily anchors for putting in the work. Don't focus on the pain, focus on the progress. Sometimes you find success and sometimes you don't, but my satisfaction is knowing I'll always control my effort with my own 2 hands. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know which quote from The Rock was your favorite. Thank you for watching.